This is a continuation of the video functions and function notation. In the previous video, we talked about function notation, f of x. And if I had, for example, f of x equals 3x plus 1, we could find f of 1, which means plug 1 into the function for x, and we get 1, 4. If I plug a 1 in, I get 4. We also talked about solving f of x equals 0. So 3x plus 1 equals 0. 3x equals negative 1, or x is negative 1/3, which tells us at negative 1/3 we'll get a value of 0. Now remember, if your y value is 0, then this is called the x-intercept. So if we want to find the x-intercept, we're going to let f of x equal 0. That's like saying y equals 0. We would like to be able to look at the graph and answer similar questions. So here's the graph of a function, and we want to answer a couple of questions. For example, if I wanted to evaluate f of 2, what I'm saying is if x is 2, what is the corresponding y value? And we can see from the graph that that is 1. So f of 3 should be, looking at the graph, if x is 3, the function value or the y value is 4. We can also go the other way. If I wanted to solve an equation, f of x is equal to, say, 2, what I'm saying is when is y equal to 2? And you can see, if I draw my little line here, there are actually 2 places where y is equal to 2, and we'll just assume here that it's 2.5 and negative 0.5. So it's, when we're doing this, we're saying what is the x value that gives us a y value of 2. Everything.